Wow, fabulous. It is God's creation, but we humans destroying this nature. In recent past, Jammu and Kashmir administration passed an order to cut down 42,000 female poplar trees. Also warned farmer and private landowners to cut down or trim these trees within 7 days. 42,000. Oh my god. Isn't it a huge number? But fortunately, Jammu and Kashmir High Court has stayed its past order to cut down trees. The main reason of order to cut down trees is people of Jammu and Kashmir believe that those poplar trees causing infection and coronavirus also could be spread through this falling cotton from trees. It is obvious that this is the belief of Jammu and Kashmir people. There is no any scientific proof that these trees can spread coronavirus in Jammu and Kashmir. That's why court given stay on its past order. Now here it is comes the important reason for this video. There is not even a single benefit of cutting these trees in such a huge number. Rather, it will be result to several problems. As we all know, trees provide us oxygen and save us from pollution. Even in our country, there is insufficient trees in major cities, which causing high pollution levels. But due to lockdown in our country, there is positive effect on environment. We can see how cities like Delhi and Mumbai are experiencing a neat, clean and beautiful environment. We can say it is clean India ever after. Now coming back to our topic, we have to stop cutting trees for our better future because they are the only thing which absorb pollutant particles and help in control pollution. It will be shocking to know that the pollution causing weakening of immune system. Even there is a research claims that nearly 4.6 million people dying each year in the entire world due to air pollution. Just imagine, in China, in Wuhan city, the person who had the first time coronavirus had a very good immune system, and his immune system could have successfully fight with coronavirus and he would not be died. Even the coronavirus also might not have been spreading this much. That's why friends, it is most important to save trees so we can live healthy and our environment also healthy. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.